Okay mate, got the new can installed. It's all in, ready, raring to go. Don't know how well this mic's picking me up. Don't know how well anything's getting picked up. So, sounds well. It's just a rough fit for now. It'll be better once I've got it all sealed, because I run out of sealant paste. But you get the idea.